Hi, I'm Alan Lang, Director of Sales and Marketing for Scout Boats. I'm here with Marty John. Marty John is the Director of New Product Development for Scout. Now, my father grew up in the military. He always told me everything has a time and a place. And here at Scout, in this process that you've developed, it's changed it immensely. Every time I bring customers in here to see it, they're in wow of how organized it is and how everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. So Marty, can you tell us a little bit about how you came up with this process and what we're doing?
Yeah, I spent 21 years in the Marine Corps, and my time in the Marine Corps taught me everything had a time and a place, of course. Spent some time with some other major manufacturers and learned a bunch about lean manufacturing. And one of the things that we've created as our base to get started on lean manufacturing is 5S. And 5S is a process for just everything has a place and everything's in its place, so every time you need it, it's always there. So it's a waste reduction. It's also huge quality improvement for us because we always have the right part at the right time.
So Marty, I see you with guys, the managers walking by these boards all the time, and I know we're working on efficiency and quality. And can you tell me or tell the viewers here exactly what we're looking at here on this board?
What we've done is we've got the major categories of safety, production, quality. We track attendance, we track their waste reduction, and then we also write the first time action. So the whole idea is these 5 sections drive into an action plan to make things better.
Right.
Focusing on efficiency though, we've got detailed schedules for everybody from final detail on this board, so they know exactly what they're doing for the day when they walk in. They've got a set of tasks, and they literally have a card that's given to them that says you're going to do this, 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 and this for the day. What they get accomplished for the day is then graded at the end of the day for hours earned versus hours paid, and they get an efficiency number every day. That number is recorded on the board every day, and it's kept track of. We now have a database of efficiencies on all of our employees that we can go back and we can break it down by plant, we can break it down by department, and we can also break it down by individual. And so that's the main focus of the board, is our efficiency improvements.
Yeah, and the whole idea with efficiency, we want to keep those costs down because we're already using the most expensive, state-of-the-art materials that we can. It's important that we stay efficient to keep that price down for the end buyer. And I noticed too, when we were back in Plant C, everything was organized on pallets. Which area was that?
RTM, it's one of our new processes that we've started with a different way of doing our lids. Instead of doing squish molds, we're doing a vacuum process on our lids now. Our team lead back there has taken the process and just ran with it. So he's got everything in his place. All of his molds, all of his product, all of his materials is lined up and clear. So one of the best benefits is quality. He never mistakes a 195 piece of foam for a 215 piece of foam, because he has everything lined up and it only can go in one spot.
Yeah, and our stock room, I've never seen it that clean, that organized.
Yes, sir. Last year we consolidated 7 of our stock rooms into one stock room, and it's really proved a big benefit for us on paying attention to our inventory, understanding exactly what we have. Now when we go to a shelf, we know we've got what's on the shelf. And it's been a big efficiency improvement. It's been a big motivation and morale improvement for the employees. The team lead back there is a very, very happy person now.
So what's next? Any new ideas that we're going to implement?
The next things we're working on now is with our new products, we're starting to literally go to standard work. So all of our boats will be standardized as far as every step that goes into putting our boats together. We're trying to capture all of those and capture the actual tools, the actual fasteners, everything that goes in that boat. So we make sure we're putting the right things on the boat with the right screws, with the right fasteners, with the right tools. And it's going to build a better quality product for us.
So Marty, can you tell us a little bit more about these carts and what they're used for, and then also what you have set up on the wall back here?
Certainly. So what we've done is, from an efficiency standpoint, same thing when we did the consolidated stock room, we started a color coding system for every model. So every model had a certain color assigned to it. Every model we have a coded board in every plant that tells every new employee what color they're working on. So it's helping us with error proofing our processes. So we make sure if I'm working on an orange boat, I'm certainly going to take a part off an orange cart. I'm going to use an orange template. I'm going to use the orange schedules. Those are things that are all color coded now for each boat and each model. It's helping us with efficiency. They know what to go get and where to get it, and they also know that they're getting the right thing and putting on the right boat.
And they know where their tools are all the time. I notice I don't see toolboxes out here anymore.
No.
So they always know where their tools are, when they're missing, where they go, exactly what they're used for.
Yes, sir. And there's several reasons for that. Not only do they know where they're at, but we also know that we haven't left them in a boat, or it's a quality issue. It's an issue for us to make sure that we're taking care of our tools, and we're guarding our customers to make sure that we're building a safe boat also.
In my 20 plus years of being here, I've never seen this plant look this good. Thank you, buddy.
Thanks,
I appreciate
Cal.
it.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thanks, guys.
thank you for everything you do.
Appreciate it.
Visit us online at scoutboats.com.